Hello everyone, it is Nintarius back with another episode of A Rat's Life. Last time, we got in trouble with cops, where we had to avoid them, and we ended up here learning a bit about what happened in a very peculiar day that we start celebrating now. That ugly ass mole right over there says that they'll be back. And then we got ourselves a nice pair of gloves to climb things up. But we couldn't get the super tickets, and I know that was gonna take a while, so I did that before recording. So now I have a nice fancy little mustachio. That's what you get for the super tickets. You do need the gloves to pull off the first one though, not the second one, the one where you dig the blocks. You can pull that off without the gloves, but that one where you need to grab the little yum things, you do need these gloves, because it's the only way to reach the points necessary to make it. I am curious about this. Okay, so not going that way, definitely. Go that way the game intends me to go. I don't know if having both things will change anything about the game. Like maybe the end of the demo, if it'll change anything anyway. Okay, that's usually all that's up here. So let me just... Alright, smelling the yums down there. Now, how do I reach that pipe? I'm pretty sure that's where I need to go. Climb back up. Can I run up this? No. Nothing anywhere there. There must be another place I can climb, unless I am meant to go that way, actually. I cannot climb up this. Snow cap will let me run over there. Okay, then I fell. Oh, but maybe... Let me go back up there. It's only a theory, but... If I run to the room, I do remember if I'm running, I'm not gonna like slide as fast. And I'm stuck. Can I break free? Maybe. Okay, there we go. I broke free. Here I thought I would have had to like reset, but apparently no, that's not the way. It doesn't clear the gap, unfortunately. It does look weird right there, that move right there. Yeah, I do need to go past that cop or something. Let me see if there was anything back here that I might have missed last time. I was still repeating the same thing. Let's see, are there any like walls I can dig through? No, it doesn't look like it. Let's go back up here, and there's gotta be a reason for this to be here. This stands out too much for me, at least it does. And god damn it, the dogs are going nuts outside. What if well, I was hoping like to get a running start from the very edge here, maybe. No. I can find entirely new areas. What if I can go back and places I couldn't before? Do you guys say anything? Looks like you'll have to climb your way to the Terrasol Tower. Don't make it with your barrels. Yeah, I know that much. It says I need to climb from here. The Terrasol Tower is that way. Now I have the means to get up there, but that's as far as I can make it. I don't see any way up there, unless I missed them. And now let me go back there and see if I missed anything. Damn it, Windows, not now. Just my Windows insisting on updating something that I don't want to update. If I did, it broke stuff. This is as high as I can get from here. If I climb here, though, this is as high as I can get on this direction. I don't see a dig of wall or floor or anything of the sort. Take a running start now. It just grabs onto that. I can actually see under the map here. I'll do something like for the dev to like cover up, because I can literally see under the map here. They put something random right there or anything. Okay, I can only think of one thing right now, and it's probably sneak, but trying to get behind this guy and seeing if I can find like anything. Did you enjoy the carnival? Have a good day. Okay, I can actually go back through here. I know there were paths I couldn't explore before, so maybe. I know I can't go that way, so let's go backtrack a bit. Now that I actually have the means to climb other places like this, I can climb this. Third wall, Aurora. Park, overpass, the outside. Oh. There's something behind this that I didn't grab, apparently. Oh, inside. Something was on the other side of this wall. I don't see anywhere I can actually dig. It's probably from that side. But my instincts always tell me go through the first corner. As this is a demo, so I'm not gonna bother on looking for absolutely everything. Okay, I didn't smell any dangers. Might as well have a look around. Maybe talk to whoever it lets me talk to. What the fuck are you looking at? Oh, what is this? New goodies? Oh. More items, like more cosmetics. Welcome to this shop that sells, in-game merch for the company that is built in the game. This is Black Hand propaganda. If you ask me, at least it's not pay-to-win content. Oh, so this is like merch made by the devs. They just added, decided to add here. Which I do appreciate no pay-to-win stuff. Good, thank you. But I'm not gonna buy that stuff now, especially since I don't even know if the save will ever transfer to the finished game once it comes out. Okay, that goes to the park. There's a letter over there. Let's get close to it and see what it says. What do you say? Welcome to the Hyperboat. The Hyperboat is a high-speed mass transportation system for both passengers and freight transports, which has conceptualized by the entrepreneur and business management, Elon Musk. It is the fastest and safest way to travel between districts of the wall. Damn dog. That's what we get for adopting a housebroken puppy. We're still training it. Where was I? I'm pretty sure the mic's picking up its barking right now. So I'm really sorry about that. Let's see, where was I? It is the fastest and safest way to travel. Alright. I got a little mess on the phone that I have to answer. Sorry about that. Of what? You don't have enough yum. You've got to be kidding. What is this? Gate is guarding another condo project, which was built in the buildings that once housed cheese factories owned by Terrasol, which relocated further in the wall. It is called the Cheese Factory. Pinned on the gate, a sign boasts the virtue of the project, omitting the fact that 2/3 of the units are still empty 2 years after it was built. Okay, so can't go through that. I'm guessing that's where I need to go. Okay, back to you. People say I'm dramatic, but I can't help myself. Don't you see what I see? If we continue living like this, we're all going to die. Yeah, probably. The collision textures on this one needs to be like fake. Like, why is it down there, not up here? Don't you think most cops act like shitty villains in cartoons? Like, you could steal their keys with a stick while they're sleeping on a stool. Is that a reference to that Sly Cooper? Like, you could totally do that. You have to use a cane, actually, not a stick. Guessing that's behind the other cops. Got you? Ask the stranger for help. I don't have much right I missed that already. I don't have much right now, but there's a piece of yum. Here's a piece of yum. So I got yum just for talking to him? Neat. Can I talk to you again? What happened if I lost him? Oh no, there he is. Where did he come from? Keep it up, my friend. No, I cannot get any more yum. This side. And I cannot go through there because I need 100 yum. What is up here? Okay, I can't smell any trouble. Rumor has it, this part of the game is exclusive to the demo. Sounds fun, I can't wait to see what's in this room. How do I get in? I'm not sure, but I heard it has something to do with the gorillas that are on the Pieces game logo. Wait, you're telling me this mess up logo is supposed to be two gorillas? Are you dance? This logo looks great. It's obviously two gorillas sitting down. Everybody knows that. Nonsense! This logo is a brand new. Nobody knows about it. Great point. Are they two gorillas? So they were like two scuba divers just chilling. Only true Pieces game. I think it's Pieces gamer. I can't really tell how that pronounce. Fans can get into the VIP zone. Does that mean I need to like get some of the like accessories over there to get in there? I'm curious now. I have yum and I'm curious about what that's about. Something tells me once I go through this, since that's Terrasol, it might be the end of the demo. So screw it, here we go. Hopefully I don't need everything, I just take the hat. That's I think it'll look good. That actually looks good. I like how it looks, the hat. This is just pure curiosity. And you know what they say, curiosity killed the cat. Well, in this case a demon dragon. But then again, I am in Bro, now. Maybe it wants me to have all of it on at once. So, but for that I think I'm gonna need my yum. I think one of them is a shirt, and the other might be like a collar or a necklace. Let's see if I have enough, otherwise I'm gonna have to look for the other yum first. I'm curious to see what's in there. Okay, all three pieces, oh yes, there it says, collect all three pieces to enter the VIP room. Do I have enough? Okay, no, I don't have enough yum. Actually, it's looking good. That means I actually need to look for those three yum, and that's probably gonna be like the end of the demo, probably. What did this say that this was? Okay, let's see what's over here. I know there's supposedly a yum over here. Like, at least according to his nose when I was somewhere else. There's Terrasol. So this is actually where it leads to the end of the demo. Welcome to the Sarah Bloom encampment. Everyone in need can come live here. The only rules are respect your neighbors. We're all in this together. Amer is truly is trying to dismantle the camp. He says we are our fire hazard. But where does he want us to go? There are no affordable houses left. I smell yum. This is Looney though. You used to work with her at the bar. Hey, how are you doing? What? Pippa and Baby have been gone for 2 weeks. Working conditions at Turtle are getting worse and worse. I hope they're fine. Take this piece of yum. It's not much, but I don't have more right now. And I have 3. I actually just need 1 more and I could get the final piece of and with this I should be able to actually get last piece of cosmetic. Life is war. You got to fight this war every day until you die. You gotta be strong or you'll die. It's simple. It makes sense. I'm strong, but I am stronger after a good smoke. Do you have smoke I could buy from you? Yes. I can already feel the power of nicotine fuel in my brain. Here's a yum. I do not condone smoking. Look at the... Okay. I can't help but laugh. That actually looks funny. Didn't he actually put it in his mouth? Does anyone really care about you? Like, if you went missing, would anyone be looking for you? I know that people from the camp would look out for me, and I look out for them. Every day here sleeping in the tent. I'd rather sleep in a nest. I used to be a cheese hunter, so I used to nest. Even though they're small. I'm almost done. I just need a bit more dirt to finish it. Okay, just repeats it. I guess I could, like, help him finish it? Oh, and I need more now. Alright, I had to abandon most of my dirt last time. Sometimes I find myself drowned in dark thoughts. Life seems so unfair. What that's like. Then I think of beautiful things, my friends, music, and taste of water in the morning, and I feel better as we were streaming. Sounds like the saying of a self-righteous hippie. That could be. That's why it is important to not totally repress the dark thoughts. Fuck the people like Gressos, the mayor, and Muskie. But we won't let them destroy all things that are important to us. We will prevail! Wait, did I actually interrupt with this? I could. Is there something to dig? Oh yes, I need that so maybe he'll give me like more yum, just in case. Just is there places I can actually dig? Considering there's all this dirt around, one would assume I would be able to do so. Okay, I saw it. I'm sure there's probably plenty of dirt here to actually finish it. If there's not, then that's something that could be fixed. Since the place where I left the dirt is where I actually had to be on the move, because if a guard would catch me, then I would have to do that again. Doesn't look like there is anymore actually. That's annoying. Oh well. I don't see like any breakable walls here. Put that dirt there, and I guess I hope that dirt actually stays there. Oh well, I have what I came for, which is a yum. Wait, there's more dirt over here. I do feel like the picking up stuff is a bit finicky. Let's see, what will you give me if I actually help you? Oh, that's so adorable. This actually looks adorable. I love it. I'm glad I did it. Wow, thanks. Here's a yum. I got more than enough now. I'm glad I did that. That was adorable. I am afraid of this being like the end of the demo. Clearly, I'm gonna be like sneaking in apparently. The hole to the outside leads. The hole to the outside leads cheese hunters to outside world. Only employees have access to it. I wonder what would happen if we all stormed it. Terrazol can't stop us. Oh, I thought that was Terrazol, but no. You don't have a hat. You don't have a hat? You're not a cheese hunter? Why did you come up here? Because I wanted to see what the hell was this about. And I guess Terrazol is past that tunnel I saw. But first things first. Oh, there was more dirt over here. Let's actually take all the dirt just in case. But before he goes to that tunnel, I'm probably ending the demo, which I feel like it's probably getting close to that. Might as well do this little optional thing. That's a little belt. Now you will have to let me through, guard. Notice actually when you're climbing and digging, you see the claws, but when you're not doing either, the claws actually retract into the glove. I do like that little attention to detail. I see that you are wearing the merch, but are you really a real connoisseur? Can you name me 3 games developed by... Sorry to say, this is actually the first game I actually know about them. Obviously, because A Rad's Life is the first game that... Oh, okay. Get in and enjoy the party! Okay, I'm liking the writing. I'm liking the writing so far. I look forward to what they do with this game when they finish it. That, and I do like the aesthetic. Listen up, everybody! There's a new rat in the house! Are you true peace games? To be honest, it's official. That rat's a true fan. 1, 2, 3. I didn't even finish reading. Some of these don't even have all 3 pieces on. And please do not be copyrighted. This whole world is making me paranoid. We are Pepe and Levi. How did you gain such power? Should you be working for Terrasol, or should you run away? Could you even run away? Who's lying? Who's telling the truth? Who's innocent? Who's guilty? What is real? What is life? Why are we here? Party! What is this game about? Conspiracy, power, and revolution. It is based on the works of a few philosophers, most notably Michael... I'm gonna butcher this. Michael Foucault. I'm sorry, I cannot pronounce it, so very sorry if I butchered that. I'm not much of a philosopher myself. In his book, The Will of Knowledge, Foucault coined the term of biopower. Biopower relates to the practice of modern nation states and the regulation of the subjects through an explosion of numerous and diverse techniques for achieving the subjugation of body and the control of population. Seems complicated and boring? Maybe it is, but that's the beauty of art. We make things more digest? I don't know if that's the right word. Digestible would be the right term, maybe? I don't know. If I press that, it'll leave. Please do not be copyrighted. Hopefully not. This is where I was placed, and this is the only place I'll ever be, thanks to the master hand of the programmer. My existence will remain meaningless, but at least I have a name. Papa Momo! Oh, please, do not let this guy just remain here. A lot of the other rats don't have a game. Don't forget the name, please. It's the only thing I've got. You don't know. Papa Momo might be the first sentient AI ever. And they're stuck here in this weird part of the demo that won't be in the full game. Hopefully Papa Momo actually gets a part of the full game. Just remove the hat and, I don't know, find like a bystander or something? I don't know. A stranger you can talk to? A shopkeeper? Poor the guy, I think he feels that way. I find it hard to enjoy party with so many NPCs. You think I'm a hypocrite because I'm also an NPC. I'm a bit of a vampire, you know? I'm feeding off the player's energy. Don't talk to me too long. I might run away with your soul. I'm not gonna turn to you since I want to finish the demo. Welcome to the Peace VIR. The two from the lower half gave us a bit of yum to organize this party. Those posters exist? I guess they do. A lot of important in-game mechanics run in this demo, right? You don't want to show off everything the game can do after all. One of the most important mechanics that you didn't get to experience is the pay cycle. When you're working for a company like Terrasol, you must respect a strict schedule. So it makes sense that the game will be divided a bit like Harvest Moon or Zelda Majora's Mask. Oh, I am looking forward to that mechanic sounds like it was interesting. I'm already used to a mechanic like that from my Common Core, which I'm streaming. It has uses the same system. Like day-night cycle, you have to respect the schedules, otherwise you might miss some of the stuff. I'm looking forward to how they do that. I see. It's not enough for an ungrateful rep like you to pay this demo for free. You want goodies? Do you want goodies? This will open your browser and at the time, no. I'm here to play the game. Finish the demo. For YouTube's sake! This dance move is better than all the Fortnite dance move combined! I guess that's all this has to offer. Can you get up to there? I guess I can. I talk to the DJ rap. All in-game music is and will be written and performed by a person who does everything else to build this game, except write the words that come out of our mouths. That's a lot of work, eh? Expect delays in the process. We might turn crazy and party! And take all the time you need, right? Because I'm actually really liking what's been done so far. Now, honestly, I'd rather play a finished game than a broken match. Hopefully that wasn't too loud that muffled me, since I can't really figure that out until I'm done recording. It'll be a real hassle to go through the whole thing again just for that tiny bit. But just in case it did muffle me, that was probably that they have taken a while to do so. Take your time. True gamers respect the devs and will wait what's needed to wait for the game to be finished. After, we would prefer a finished, polished, fun game than a rushed, broken mess. So take your time. This game is already promising, very promising, and I'm looking forward to seeing the finished product. So I'm guessing this way will actually end the demo. I'm guessing. Finally reaching Terrasol. And I'm guessing after this whole section is where probably the day-night mechanic would end. That's only a guess, since that was all a tutorial area, I'm guessing. And this is, I guess, where we'll technically start working for Terrasol. Everybody thinks that all columbiforms are beautiful, and it makes me mad, even though I am technically a god and not a cop. I'm looking at the highlighted letters and ACB. I'm a good rat, okay? So I need to remember a cop. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Main entrance is for high-grade employees only. Please use the side door. Okay. There's no yum nearby. Pig? Oh, she's not after me. I can't help you with your inquiry. To locate or message your loved ones, speak with a rat in the pink hat. Gee, welcome to Terrasol. What can I do for you? I'm looking for my sibling. They work here and have been gone for way too long. My mom and me don't have any food left. We need their loot. Sorry for this concern. I'll be glad to help you. Let me see where they last checked. You can feel despair and boredom in the employee's voice. What are their names? Hepai and Baby Gato. Give me 2 seconds. Gato, gee, here they are. His face twists into an ugly grimace as he reads the information that's shown up on the computer screen. They're fine. They're just doing some overtime, but they can't come back right now. You're lying! You're lying! They're on an important mission. I'm sorry for any trouble. This situation might cost you. His tone gives it away. He's hiding something. I feel like you're not telling me everything. What's going on? I'm telling you the truth. His voice is cracky. He's about to lose it. Your siblings, they... What's going on here? This nice rat wanted to put in an appliance to become a cheese hunter, right? The employee is about to be in trouble. Let corroborate history. Enough of this shenanigans. You want to know the whole truth about it. I think that based on what I was told in the party room, the only way to know the truth would be to actually cooperate. At least I feel that way. Yes, I want to become a cheese hunter. Are you alright? You look like you need a break. Let me handle this. Oh, it's 12:30 already? You're right, my break is long overdue. Kids like you become rare and rarer. Nobody wants to work nowadays. I hope you're proud of yourself. Being a cheese hunter is a especially noble calling. If you work hard, you might end up becoming one of the greatest, you mean. You'll be walking in the footsteps of George Terrence and Patsy Saul. You can start right away. Please enter the training room. Oh wait, there's still more? Well, considering that there's still more... I think I'm gonna leave that for probably the next video. I'm guessing the end of this demo is actually when I make it out. So, just in case this does end the demo, let's go in. No, there's still more. So yes, that is where I leave the video. Hopefully next video I might actually end this demo. But so far, so good. So far, so good. I am liking this game. And let's see. It might be a while before I make another video, since the hot days are coming back again, the heat wave. That's also the reason why I wasn't making a video. Well, hopefully, it won't be long. So, thank you for your patience, and thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And if you know any game that you need to try out, leave it down in the comments below. I'm Venturio's Blackheart, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye bye!